I know at one point in our lives we've all been a witch for Halloween, so of course, let's do a witch for an easy Halloween makeup idea. I'm going to be more of a good witch, I guess you could say. So we're going to go more with the purples and probably some astrological signs, maybe a moon, a star, something like that. But it's going to be easy. Anyone can do this. The best thing about being a witch is that you could choose so many different ways to go about this. You could be a good witch, you could be a bad witch, you could be a simple eye, you could be very gothic and go very dark. I'm going to prep my eye with the Jason Wu Eye Prime. This goes so far, and we are going to use this again to cut the crease, so don't put it too far away. And we're going to start off using Wet n Wild's Color Icon in Petalette. We're going to start by using this 4th shade right here and just set the crease just above and just below it. We just want to build this up slowly, and you can make this even darker if you wanted to. You could do this with any color palette you want to do. You could do greens, you could do blues, whatever you want to do. I chose purple because I just love purple. I'm going to pick up this dark purple shade right here, and we're going to start to deepen the crease and just above it. I'm going to go back and forth between the first brush and the dark purple brush, and I just want to start blending these outer edges, but I also don't want to lose the dark purple, so I'm just building it up, blending it out, building it up until I get where I want it to be. Once you're happy with where it's at, we're going to go back into the Jason Wu primer and we're going to cut our crease so that we can make sure that that eyelid pops. All right, now that we have our crease cut, we're going to go into this shade right here, which is a nice light shimmer shade, and that's going to help make our eyelid pop. I'm going to go back in with the dark purple brush and just kind of help to blend where they meet just a little bit. Let's go ahead and line the eye. I'm just doing a little wing. You could either go dramatic with this, or you could do a little wing or no wing and just the upper lash line. It's up to you. Last but not least, go ahead and apply your mascara, and if you want to add lashes, again, you can go super dramatic with this. You could even add some glitter lashes or lashes that have like little decor on them. That'd be super cute. I'm just going to use my Lash Paradise waterproof mascara and just do a couple coats. I did go off camera and I did my base. Just use your normal base, and if you have a purplish blush, I would highly recommend doing that. I'm going to start off using this dark purple and go directly under my eye and connect that to the top. I'm going to pick up this lighter shade right next to the purple, and I'm just going to start blending that out, and I'm going to go back and forth until I get the look that I want. Again, making sure you connect with the top. I'm going to go ahead and use this white as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. So we'll just lighten this up. To finish my eyes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner, and I'm going to do the bottom lash line, and I'm also going to do the waterline. All right, using mascara to do my bottom lashes. I brought out my Lottie London stamp eyeliner. The stamp side doesn't work anymore. The eyeliner pen does. I was thinking about adding a moon on my forehead and then like a star underneath each eye. So wish me luck. Okay, there's a star. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, there's our star. Now they do sell stamps that have like the star and the moon shape, but if you don't have time to get it, just use a liquid eyeliner pen and you can easily still get it. You know how to draw a star, you know how to draw a half moon. Just have fun with it. And you can easily do different sizes. You could do bigger stars, smaller stars, whatever you want. Just, again, have fun with it. You could add some circles or some dots. I brought out the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I'm going to add some highlight to some areas. I'm hoping this doesn't destroy anything. All right, I also added that to my inner corners and a couple other areas. I think I will go back over some of the stars just to help them stand out again, because the highlighter did tone them down, which is fine. If you wanted to, you could add more stars. You could even add a half moon to the center of your forehead. I decided I'm not going to do the half moon just because I really like just that simple, easy look. And let's be real, not everyone can draw a circle. For the lips, I am going to use this NYX Powder Puff in the color Senior Class. I've been torn between using the NYX and this Python kit. It's a metallic lip kit by Maybelline. I think I'm still going to use this metallic lip kit, but I'm going to use it with the NYX purple. And let's just see how this works out. This is so pretty. So this is more of a teal with a gold topper. And I think I'm going to do this purple with the gold topper. Oh, that is purple. Okay, I'm impressed because this is just like a little bit on my tube. I haven't had to squeeze again. And it is coming out really nicely. I am going to find a small detail pencil and do my lip line. Okay, so this is 2 passes of the lip color, and wow, this is definitely purple. It is really pretty. The only thing is I'm not a fan of the applicator on this, just because it's very hard to get that precise, clean lip look. It's just hard. So grab a small detail brush with that one. Let's go ahead and put some of this glitter on top, and we have the completed look. It's so easy to find a witch's hat. Just check out your local stores. I'm sure you'll be able to find one. Black dress, or even a black long sleeve shirt and black jeans. That would be cute as well. It's so simple. You could easily do this look. The makeup, again, you can choose your color palette. I hope you're enjoying this easy Halloween last minute costume ideas series that I have going on my channel. If you do, please let me know down below. Let me know what you're going to be for Halloween as well. I would love, love, love to hear that. I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.